Hey, it's Harold Dufresne with After Show Chat. And look, gang, I just got this in today. I ordered it on Amazon about probably, I don't know, end of October or so. I don't know when. But I got in the V8 Grillo's Pickle Bloody Mary drink. It's a V8 Grillo. I guess they teamed up with Grillo's Pickles, and they made a dill pickle Bloody Mary. Now, I love a Bloody Mary. I like a virgin Bloody Mary. I know some people want to say, oh, Harold Dufresne, you got to put alcohol in there. But I like a virgin, okay? I like it with no alcohol. That's me. All right? I'm not a big fan of vodka. I'm a big fan of beer. But anyway, I want to try it out. I'm going to give this a shot. I've heard good things. I heard bad things. So I'm going to give it a shot. Now, I got it in today, and I chilled it. It's nice and cold. I'm going to pour it in a glass of ice in my Cuphead glass. Right there. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, smells like pickles. So, nice color on there. Poured it in my Cuphead glass. And I'm going to give this a shot and tell you what I think. I bought a 6-pack. And it cost me $5.99, about $1 a piece for each can. Again, I like a virgin Bloody Mary. I don't like vodka or nothing in it. I could take it with vodka in it, but I'm not in the mood. So I got this, and I'm going to give this a shot. I'll put a little pickled snap bean in here, a little pickled green bean. That's good. That's a Cajun Chef brand of those snap beans. So, but let's taste this V8 Grillo's Bloody Mary and see what we think. Got me a straw. Definitely strong tomato flavor. I could taste the pickle flavoring. Tastes kind of like a V8. It's not spicy at all. Again, has a flavor of a V8, but V8 makes a good Bloody Mary juice. This has no spice. This has pickle juice, pickle flavoring in there. Tastes like you would mix a V8, regular V8, with some pickle juice. I'll be honest with you, that's what it tastes like. I mean, it's okay. It's decent. I'll be honest with you. The way it is right here, I'd give this a B minus. Okay, a B minus. I wish it would be a little bit more spicy. So, I'm going to try to doctor this up. So right now it's getting a B minus, close to a C. It's about average. Again, if I take some V8 and juice and pour it in a glass and put a little bit of pickle juice, that's what this would taste like. No spice, no heat. So let me see if I can doctor this up, and maybe I can make it a little bit better. So right now, let's say I give this a C, average. C on the Beat-A-Man scale that we don't use no more. Out of 5 crabs, I give it 2.5. So average. So let's see if I can doctor it up. I'll be right back. All right, gang. So what I did, I could have poured a different Bloody Mary in there and doctored it up, but I wanted to stay true with the Grillos and one that I got, the V8. So I added some Tabasco sauce and some Worcestershire sauce in there. And just kind of mix it up and see, maybe it gives a little kick, a little bit more depth, a little bit more flavor. So here goes with the added ingredients I put in there. I mixed it up real well. Maybe I need to hit it with more Tabasco. I don't know. Don't have that heat. I'm really, disappointed. I like it. There's no heat. There's no. It's not the most flavorful Bloody Mary mix out there. Gang, I don't know what else to put in here. Maybe some pickle, I don't know, olive juice. Gang, I'll be honest. The V8 Grillos, average. Not terrible. Not great. I had a lot of different Bloody Mary mixes that taste much better than this. I mean, I'm going to finish it, but it's just average. I'm kind of disappointed. I was expecting a little bit spicier. Maybe it has the pickle flavor, but I was expecting something a little bit better than this. So gang, even after I tried to doctor it up a little bit, maybe I should put some Devil Days or something in there. But anyway, I tried my best. I do have Devil Days, I think it is. I could put in there maybe to spice it up a little bit more, but I'm just going to finish this average Bloody Mary. I'm giving it a C. I'm sticking with my original thoughts, giving it a C. V8 Grillo's Pickles, Bloody Mary, the drink. You decide if you like it. You may love it. I just find it average. So there. All right, gang. Till next time, this is Harold Dufresne with After Show Chat.